blooming tulips, honeybees. Digging, tilling seeds to sow, and planting carrots in a row. But then heavy downpours, rivers flood. Our flower garden turns to mud. Let it rain. Rainbows, green grass, soccer fun, picnic swinging in the sun. Lambs and bunnies, poppy licks, newborn kittens and little chicks. Building, painting way up high, our little house in the sky. But then black flies, spiders, little ants crawl inside our farmer pants. Let it rain. Riding, gliding, cupcake treat, twirling, dancing, bebop, beat.